Thirikari ya Kajiado ni yambĩrĩirie mũbango ũrĩa ũretwo Leap Beyond Manyata wa gũtigĩrĩra ciana cia airĩtu na imwana nĩ ciathoma kaunti-inĩ ĩno handũ ha kũrũmĩrĩra ũndũire mũhĩtũke nĩ mahinda.
Because of lack of direction, lack of the proper guidance, lack of an alternative are perishing in poverty and in mental issues. And today we have trained peer-to-peer champions out of school youth and in school young people. Out of school youth will carry out mentorship programs on mental health, on unemployment, and on stamping out teenage pregnancy, which is rampant in Kajiado County.
Makĩaria hĩndĩ ya monanio ma arutwo, anyiti itemi matiganĩte nĩ maugĩte ũhũthĩri wa dawa cia kũrebia nĩ ũtũmĩte mathomo mahotome mwena ũcio.
Tuna changamoto ambayo inapitiwa na vijana wetu. Vijana wetu sana katika sehemu nyingi za Kajiado County wanaumia sana. Wanaumia kwa sababu ya hawajui ni nini kingine ambayo watu wanaweza kufanya. Kwa hivyo leo tumeweza kuleta vikundi kadhaa ambayo watajumuika na wao, ambayo wanapigana na umaskini katika Kajiado County, ambayo wako katika sehemu mbalimbali za utendakaji wa Kajiado County, ambayo pia wanapigana na mambo ya mimba za mapema za wasichana.
Hamwe na ũguo nĩ maugĩte harĩ bata wa kũrora ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa arutwo marĩ thukuru, makiuga kũrĩ na maũndũ maingĩ makoretwo makĩhĩtũkĩra.
Doing campaigns all over the county, and also we are doing a lot of advocacy, and we are educating them the dangers of drugs abuse, and we are championing for a better education of our boys and girls in this pastoral community. And drugs has still a lot of their dreams, and many of them are dropping out of school because of mogoka, because of second generation alcohol.
Ihinda-inĩ o rĩu Minister wa Gĩthomo wa kaunti ya Kajiado Janet Sereu nĩ augĩte ikinya rĩrĩ rĩũkĩte ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire kuona nĩ rĩkũgacĩrithia mathomo kaunti-inĩ ĩno.
Having been sensitized on the need to be alert on our mental wellness, and because of that I believe that through our mentors here today tutarudi mashuleni tukiwa na hekima ya kuangalia hali ya akili zetu, kwa sababu hizo changamoto kidogo ya kuanguka hesabu mara moja mbili inaweza kutuathiri. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.